Hello, welcome to Totally Random. I'll zoom back so you can see it, but I'm trying to make a fuse collecting. So I saw these things and thought I can make that shape. So I drew it, printed it, and it's working quite nicely. So that's 22 gauge inner core and 30 gauge wrap, stainless steel, both stainless steel, 316. Obviously I could probably go faster, but there's no point fucking it up by being in a hurry. And it is pushing it back that away, so I'll just pull back on it. So you can see it's fucking pretty tidy. I'll just pause it for a sec. So yeah, the wire's just done spooling, it's getting fed through there, going down through that hole, and as you can see it's fucking kind of hard to see, but it's winding itself on there. And if I've built this fucking properly, that should just, that twisting action, that winding off should push this box away from that end, which is what's happened so far. I did crank it up a little bit too much at the start where that kink is. And what happened, that wanted to flip over there, so might seem slow, but essentially it's doing its job. As boring as it may look, but it's doing its job. So yeah, I needed two 150mm pieces, so I cut off about a foot or so. Yeah, it's about 250. So I'm running out of guide just up here, so we'll see what happens. There's still a good 3 or 4 inches of unwrapped stainless steel inside here. I think Avid Life or whatever the hell they call themselves sell these. There's 2 different sellers of them, I think. Essentially it's just a hole going straight through the middle of the box, a little guide, and yeah, another brass piece on it, but lacking that, I made that. That little last bit of wire's just about there, about to get dragged through the box. I think what's going to have to happen is that this is going to have to get moved back that way. Just to provide more work space. See, now that's just gone sideways there. Right. And it's not coiling up as uniformly. So that's interesting. You can't see anything, but it's, yeah, it's getting a bit. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. The wraps up this end. There's a real sideways torsion on that. It's wonder. So yeah, obviously I need more guide rail. And they also do this on a flat surface and blah blah blah. I think I'll just continue to wrap this up anyway. From probably there to there, that's fairly decent. You get 2 calls out of that. I think lacking anywhere for it to move that way. Just gonna let it wind itself off on a funny angle there. But yeah, through there, it's, yeah, looks fucked. Not happy with that. And here comes the last bit. Alright, so it should be coiled over itself. Hey. This is the first time I've done this, so I thought, fuck it, I'll record it. Well, it's not the first time I've done this. It's the first time I've used that because I only just fucking made it. So, hang on. I get a good contrast on it. You can see there, that's where I fucked up. Otherwise it's wrote pretty fucking well, I reckon. That's the bit that was in the drill end. Where it'll focus. That's where it went a bit sideways. And that's the rest of it. So, I don't know, what does this measure at? Well, not resistance wise, just length. So yeah, it's about a foot. The focus guides will play. It's almost dead on a foot. Anyway, that was just another little documentation video to see if that worked. So as a cooling jig, yeah, yeah, what does it look like? It's hollow inside basically. It's just got that screw, that one to hold this piece down, and a spring. I don't know what that came out of, maybe a padlock, and just something to hold that down so it's got a bit of pressure but not too much. And then that wire feeds from that hole down through this hole, out under there, and wraps around the piece of wire. So there you go. I never thought I would be sitting here doing this, but I am. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you my homemade fucking wire jig. So, yeah, fun what you can do with a 3D printer in a bit of time. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. I'll go wind that up at some point in time. I don't need it right now, so there's no point making a coil out of it. Yeah, and I just did the math for that on steam engine calculator, so the wire wizard section. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. Tather around, locks and picks. Thanks for watching. Bye.